Gai mà lao thuần mấy cái nữa ta cả lệ mấy tàu tình riêng mà mẹ gan stroke cũng nông đi khá xa lại của pan mình này nha anh yêu gan stroke hạ sậy hạ Bubuan Cave Bubuan tụi mình nói Bubuan tụi mình nói Bubuan Cave explore xuống tập nông thế có món tàu anh yêu hay phao thọ gari ngang tăng thế nào bike rồi anh yêu tháo ngang thế mi cái luống hỏi khá xí mi cái luống cái lạc phải khá đâu lúng bom mi cái luống ấy tụi hay phao thọ four wheeler issue mặc na challenge mặc na cũng là tháo ngang nổ thế mi cái luống hay ní cũng là nagari ngang lâu nổ thế cái lạc phải khá đâu lúng bom mi cái luống dân hải không là anh yêu hay tuần rồi ná cái lông thảo cái ní thế hay à pack up rồi thếปวดใจกว่าไม่ได้มาขอรีแล้วกันเถอะเขาหนักก็ลงเท้าปันใส่ตัวมักซีเทียอุจจาระทุยกระซาร์เอเรียขกไก่สับไก่หลับเว้ยตอนน่ะก็หมายให้แมปของสองชนิดสวยๆมีเถอะไม่กล้าแหลมให้ตาทุกสร้างพายแต่นั่นน้องไอชินแต่ว่าแม่หูไม่ปังให้ก็พายท่านหักตะกันดีๆง่ายร้านห้างกันได้แล้วทุยตัวตรงสุนัขท่าจีต้นแสงกันไหนตินะก็เรียกเห็นตินะก็ทำสันเท right side must be ต้นมาไทยลาวนี่นายตรงกันไหนแปลกนี่เอ้ยฮะถ่ายมาแค่แสงกันไหนตินะเต่าเฮเย็นตามมาบ่แม่อ๋อทั้งแปดแสงก่อนเด้ไม่แสงนั้นเนี่ยจะเอาบุกเขา public ตั้งตาเรามีเลยเทสมเทใช่ไหมทุกคนแม่ต้อง support กันหนักเจ้าไว้น่ะชิบราตรีกันขอโทษอย่า lakhs number of lakhs people Bhuban Ching รากลงเท่น่ะกูไก่ตรงเท่สนามฮีกันเหลี่ยมไอ้นี่ตายไม่นานตายไม่บังเท่ we are continuing the trek to Bubuan Cave I'm trying to be the first but these people are still trying their best to move ahead. This is Mr. Kiam, and this is Mr. Tui and Mr. Abel. Mr. RK and Mr. Adai is walking over there. Walking, trekking there. Shanti, mày thấy là thấy không được thật không nào ta không dùng ấy gang khoáng mày để sẽ giao đây một hình thái thi you can see the tree here this is gang khoáng in Rongmei gang khoáng ở bên đó okay they insist this is gang khoáng gang khoáng tree big and tall tree thấy हेलो दोस्तों हमारे सफ़र अभी भी लगातार चल रहा है we are still continuing the trekking towards the historic Bhuban Cave in Rongmei. We call it Bubuan Satong Bubuan Tham Khư hôm nay tao bấm hí ạ sang ở đỉ ngăn sâu you can see thay cho tao bấm ngoài tài hay ngang thao lâu không hay thế this is the joy of trekking the historic Bubuan Cave. I guess somewhere around 2,000 calories might have already burned, and we still have a long way to trek. Hi. Hello, Apou. Okay, đấy. hay đi thế tiêu mày xong lon một đây cài lẹ mấy tính xay thế này sẽ kết đồn cái đâu nữa luống mâm đi thế cái lủng thô mi à khát xi mày nón khát xi à mày nè nhưng thuốc cào nè thôi mày khát xi mày nón mi thay lão ta mày thay mi thay ni hả gãi nụi lão ta mày bọt nón thế hả lụi rồi tháp lâu nó cái này phong tung ấy mi thay nòng tại cái xi mắc kháng mi hãy Bubuan Cave tặng mắc khẩu sang đặc khẩu tên anh thả cái mẹ mày bấm tuôn này thì là cố gắng tung ấy tôi này nhiều thẹo như thế. So we have come up to the resting point on the way to the cave now. The loaded basket, which is outer layer, is covered by the banana leaf. The inside material is palm, betel nut leaf, we call it. They grown in the thick forest. They harvested from their farm and coming along the way, and they are taking rest. And we also having a pause and taking a rest. And one of the commander or the today's guide, Mr. Atui, is over there.
Take the height also.
Maybe this is 5 meter high. And those are the people who taking rest on their way to home. এখান থেকে কত দূর আছে কত দূর বাকি আছে ক্যাব থেকে ক্যাব বুবু হ্যাঁ বুবন দূর আছে আর 40 মিনিট আরে অনেক দিকে ড্রাইভার এটা আধা হইনি এটা थोड़ा বেশি হইনি शिव मंदिर है ना सामने शिव मंदिर ना वो भीतरे क्या बोलते हैं नीचे ओरिजिनल केव हाँ और आधा घंटा हाँ हाँ 2 घंटा अच्छा अच्छा some says 30 minutes and some says 2 hours so we were confused by their answer though we have already started the trek so we will not stop till we reach the destinations. I also wanted to climb but nobody here to take my picture. Tuy là bà thôi. Ơ dạ, thôi, sải tông mâu xí thì là có bà mê bù tí ai. Hey, mà thấy nào mình quay khổ tết thế này. Oh, those are the people coming with full loaded of betel nut leaf. We call it pan. Those are the real life of this locality. Yes, this is the banduk I found here on the way. Actually, this is carried by the people living around here because there are so many wild animals which can attack us suddenly. So in order to safeguard ourselves, we need to carry while going for a cultivations or cultivating or harvesting or farming while visiting farming. I'm also got the opportunity to hold like this. If I see bear coming, for sure I will shoot without any excuse. Thank you. This is not mine. This is I'm just taking a corporate. Kunta गाँव থেকে আইছে কোনটা গাঁও থেকে আইছে ভুবন পাহাড় अच्छा बाजार जाइबा लगी नी बाजार कोई जाता अच्छा they are the pilgrimage sorry I don't get what they answer actually so अच्छा नहीं गाँव कोई सिलचर अच्छा they are a pilgrimage who went to the Bubuan Cave or Bubuan Jungle, also they call it, for worship. Hi, we are continuing the trek. Up is still there. The steepness is getting tougher and tougher. The one who walking here is my beloved uncle Adai. We call it I think this is the last challenge before going down to the cave or reaching to the cave. We are enjoying, we are still enjoying. Physically, or the lower portion of our body, which is leg, is little tired, though we are refreshed by this nature and the beauty of this trek. Phải quạt cái số hay đi thế sao? Hey, tao thằng nào này thế? Mi ta phải bụng đầu áp cũ ta, phải ta bàn sang lên cái đó đi thế. Không phải đi thâu, không phải đi thâu. Siêu mà. Hey, orange shirt is the tour guide of today. Hey, khi mà ni sụt sùi mình thôi, xài trong stress họ. Hay, ai thôi sang xăm thế nè, cái đó mấy cái dâu lắm rồi, ai đang thấy tâm thì nó ngoài là thế. Come on, ra thôi. Rồi nè, số mấy, sang cái này là thu, tiếng điều thì thu tên là ni mãi vấn đề. Hôm mình tìm thấy ni dâu lâu, hơi. Ho. Hey. Nó thế. Có xí mình cái lông tôi phải học là có. That is the Naga Valley. Nhiều thấu cả là thấu ảo sang đi hết. Hết ạ. Hắn tới nó cặp phăng ngang. Cặp phăng ngang thì nó thôi. Tao thôi. Bret cái lông này thôi tên nó thôi. Tìm khẩu thế. Tao hay. Sỉnh tuần cụ tí thế nào. Ngăn liêng mại. Sang khẩu tôi không đi sang ngăn thế. Đó thì thôi. Thẻ ngang tụp nè. Cụ tí nó thế khả lệ mày. Sang cái hay này tao bằng vậy mình ra. Ngoài nó thả lẩu thư. Ngang can tiệm. Hey, Mr. Khiêm nè. Đây là cái giải là tao hay. City của tao bấm rồi thấy. Sai phao mới lóng cô. Bhuban Ching ta hàng leather jacket phụng mới thôi hay là nó không để. Đó nè. Sắc lâu ấy. Ho. Ngầu cong lung mày. Hầu thế mà thấy lâu. Ra thôi cùng nó đi ạ. Tao. Video nằm mong không tố nằm đó đậm nằm khơi nhiên bố. Tararara. Hira bapre bap. Apou ba. Giang đô con này mày. Hey. We are still continuing the journey to Bubuan Cave. You can see my face shining with the sweat. We are sweating like anything inside. You can see the necklace portion is wet by the sweat during this peak winter season. Unintentionally, we produce some sound when we get to start this kind of trekking, so I'm not the only one. We will go and estimate the height of this elevated option for person. It will be for sure. You can see the angle, which is almost 90 degrees. You can imagine the stiffness or the toughness of this trek.
Can you introduce the camp manager?
I think, let's stand here, hold on. We will breathe. We will slow down the heart pumping limit. Finally, the second last trekker has confirmed that he is a little tired. Though his energy is still motivating us. Wait. 2 minutes, we will halt here. Finally, we have come up to the top of this Bhuban Hills. Those are the two last trekkers of our team. Here you see a mandir. This is the first mandir we have here at the top point. Now we will be moving toward the main cave, Bubuan Cave. The signboard has written here, way to Naga Vishnu Rakai. Rakai means a temple actually, but
Also prayer.
Vishnu is not the original name of this god, we can say. Our ancestor called it Bhuban or Bhubuan or Bhubuan. But later on, they name it as a Vishnu god, but that is not correct, I can say. Tao hai, Bhubuan Ching tuan kutang na, aniu rakai pek thot Rongmei Naga mi tuang. Rest house ni nai puni, statue ni nai puni, Bhubuan Cave main rakai pom takang tabam nong the cave. Bhubuan Cave bẹo lăng nó ta bấm nông thêm sẹn hai mà cái tuần ngân cụ tan thì thế nào tin ăn tẹo họ sang lệnh cái đó thế nó khát tới theo cái tin ăn khá tan phải và nó cú đó là cái đó đi có mà thấy hà đến ra hắc easy tụi nó thốt xác mà cái hay trekking ạ khu bột ni injury này mà cũng phải họ tao tông ha ta xì mại đi có mà ta lùm lọt tụi đấy mà ta gài đấy có mà moderate to tough là ní xác này là một cái mà nụ ta làm trek tụi thế apai quay ní ta bầm đấy có mà ta ní tụi mà say thọ xíu nữa là ta nụ đấy anh hiểu cái loang thang nắp hung cái đang tao mày quay khăn thôi nhiều xỉu tao con đi đấy rồi vậy không mà cái hay giờ Apou ram Rongmei Naga slow mi bam na quang khâu luồng cái bam stream water thế tao hay sinh thái nó phù rồi nè thanh liếng bây giờ chụp bao nhiêu chụp tao ấy răng khang safe đấy ôi khá ní bam chụp ồ ngắm mua bom thàนี่งามูตัวที่ส่วนรักหนุ่มโอเคตัวที่สมพงษ์ว่ามันอ่ะทิ้งน้องไงที่นั่นสิตาทิ้งน้องไงบ้างเถอะเท่กระเดียดเท่ให้อย่าดุยแหงก็มั่มีอ่ะทิ้งน้องแต้มไงที่ไหนก็มันอ่ะดุยพ่อเราตรงทั้งแค่กี่ไอ้ดีเท่มาดิ้งระวังไว้มีหายอันนี้ราคากู้ไม่ตรงซีซันนี่หน้ากองเท่ก็มาสิบวันตรีหวังว่าถ้า thousands of people will be traveling here and walking over the cave which is main gate có mà thâu của mà aram ri hầu mà thay mà nói thế aram ri thế gì this is the aram ri mà thế sao không vậy nhỉ the pilgrim season is closing now. Yeah. So, honey, Tulu Lobam water pump, which is run by petrol, is already fitted here to get ready for the pilgrimage over here. Có mà ra cái cũng không quan rồi. Bằng lâu bị bầm khang, tuy su khang volunteers na akai Rongmei Silver area khobama me goi Bhuban Hill area khobama me goi na talo me bam thai for your kind informations Zhao Kho ever loving memorial stone of Zi Pau Zuak Lung Rongmei Zi Labut Nanikawe. He was rested in peace at his everlasting father home. He was left from his swift family, but we will meet again in heaven. Born on 7 July 1891, died expired on 22nd November 2006. Hay thế cái tông tarau memorial stone nó tông thế tarau thu rồi móc bây giờ đây hay là na abui đùm mà đình mai kabui let hay thôi Paul bạc thôi mình đi sâu mấy hả anh emถ่ายท่านสั่งมาแค่เท่าหรือโซตุตายอันนี้ถึงก็ระวังกันเรียบมินีพอปอบสเรียงมันเน้นด้วยนี่นะลีดเดอร์ขาดทุกของแท้ AOU in memory of Abu Dum Maring Mai Kabui son of Let M เกยแถมปองทั้งไม่บ้านน้ำทะลวงอิมฟาลมณีปูร์ the first general secretary NBRCTDS I don't know the full form of this ก็ไอ้ไม่ติงซินก็ไอ้ไม่กลานดิเหรอขวางขัดไก่แท้เต้าหายก้มนะเต้าหายอันนี้ลุงนิ่งได้ไม่ค่อยเลยนะ rest house ตาเราไม่บ่มร่วงไม่ต้องกายสโลว์ไม่บ่มเขาคงตั้งเท่ก็นั่นน่ะทุ่งแปะทุยđi đâu đâu tạo hai ngàn mấy thứ thai anh ấy toàn museum nè memorial stone nè ta với nè này với nè hôm nay mấy vòng của ta tạo hai season na quảng từ trên hả Tân Hải social work là bao mà ở khai rộng mình nó này hay không nè hay là cài thế cái lông càiนี่บ้างไปตาวให้ก่อนนะอันนี้ปรีปราตินนะคะท่านหนึ่งปนี้ Kaya lihat ni. Will you go ahead, please? I interact. Come on, you hi. Bang kho tu ni bang nu pe bam na hi si. Gai me klan, gai na to. Azan Zanith Rongmei atong YouTube channel sai hai. Bubuan Ching kha Bubuan Cave hay giáo to kho to na niu tim ngang tong tim ngang mi lung kho pau tao rất bạc thu đúng bao mì hai pon riệp mấy cái mai hai cái gùi luộc thôi năng nặng ná mai committee khu giáo rồi na niu bù pu mày bàn gần na quang thì nằm mà say ha quang hậu na bầm nụ khang bầm cây nụ khang niu khang cai tản khang kém cái xẹp khang cái mà giáo sinh khang cái niu committee không mà say ha change rồi na cái mà tán na bầm tông ấy có mà mình đang kho đuôi na niu cụm na bubuan raที่ให้กลมนักล้มก็เขาตัวกลมทุเรศนะตัวเทียบทุเรศนะนิ้วไทยก็เขาตัวตัวมีปรีแต่ด้วยนั่นนะไทยเหล่านี้เนี่ยป่ะก็นั่นเรื่องมันเขานังจันนั่นนี่ introduce เราป่ะก็นั่นนังตัวทุเรศนั่งลงวางตัว
ใช่ไหมก็ไม่ได้วางนะอาขังโซก็เล่าในการเล่านี่ทำแค่ลำดับอย่างทุเรศนี่วางนะบ้านไม่ยางกุรานิ้วนี่บุบวงเขาต่างๆบ้านไม่ยางกุรานี่ปรีเหที่น่ารักแล้วถูกที่ไม่ยางกุราไอที่การให้มาบอกคือใช่สำหรับนั่นนะพอดีแล้วโลกของไงก็น่านี่บุบวนสิงควายลงน่ะบ่มีเหกุมน่ะเพราะว่าไม่บนสนิวร่างกายก็เสียไม่บ่ต้องเศร้ามีบนสนิวร่างกายก็เสียมาเขากระเรียมนั่งรีเสิร์ชคอมมิตี้ตัวน่ะใช่ไหมบ่มีในบ่มีลงก็ใจตัวสุนัขเพราะกระเรียมนั่งรีเสิร์ชคอมมิตี้สุวรรณต้องเศร้าตัวใจไรเขาApou geriam nang hai Apou jado Apou Baomei na timidang ko rin na say kapukay tathang tu na tamika ko sambal ka nai tingkwan hai kamay tingkwan len ruak tingkwan hello wa mi yang ko tu na mi suina say hi ta thau tu nge ko na Apou geriam mang ta thau tamitang ko Apou Jadonang le pai Rani le ka nai na hai say hiมีเหตุอะไรกันเนี่ยคุณน่ะป้าจะโดนนะคุณจะต้องโจ้ตัวเจ้าป้าว่าไม่บนสนิวกายด้วยนะทิ้งคุณก็ไม่ป้าว่าไม่ป้าจะโดนให้พิลอนเขากันนะก็ไม่เห็นลงแล้วว่ามีไม่ตัวน่ะแล้วคนนี้จู่ถ้าไม่ไปนี่จู่เว้ยคุณน่ะก็ไม่ให้กระลาเขาสนาการทำไม่ฟังเขาก็ไม่ให้กระลาเลี้ยงไม่ตัวน่ะก็ไม่ให้พอลงไม่ทิ้งคุณสลบสนายไม่กลางเขาก็ไม่มั่งตานะมู่ตานะก็ไม่ตัดบ่มีไม่ที่ตัวน่ะสบายคนให้คุณน่ะได้นี่ฮิปบ่ไหมคุณน่ะไม่ก็จะทิ้งคุณสลบสนายตัวน่ะแต่บ่ไม่ลงคนไทยก็ไม่เพราะว่าไม่กำลังคนจะกระดักน่ะที่เขาว่าที่ที่ชูว่าที่ตัวน่ะให้รำพิลอนเขาก็สู้กันได้นู่นกำไรก็ลาไว้ที่ก็ต้องกำลังให้คุณแต่บ่มีตัวน่ะสกองสปอตัวน่ะเป้าจะโดนนั่งทุกคนน่ะแต่บ่คนให้ตัวคุณน่ะทิ้งคุณรถสโลว์รถสไนเปอร์ตัวปัดไม่กลางเขาApou Jadonang hai rapui Apou Baomei Bishnu ta kai ta lam la tu na Apou Baomei Bishnu kai do na sabam itu nang Jadonang le nang atong surong thong nang goro tu timijang ko na kamay gan chui dau phung la tu na ni sang he ral la tu na tal la tu na surong thong kamay he ta kai sai
Jadonang ring bam khao
Apou Jadonang ring bam khao Apou Jadonang na ko na makang ko mai gai mi ta bam ho Apou jang kai ni tu na Japan kai ya tu na Apou ba mai jang ko ngong the Apou ba mai le na le din ba mi jang ko na nang ba ai quang tang thai tu na nang le na tu bi chalo ni mi to ngai so tu je mi jang ko na Apou ba mai he lang wo am ko Apou ba mai bon sineu hi ba mai bam kon ni tai Apou ga re mang ta nang tu bi tong nang nai nek so nai tho sa ti mi jang ko Apou ba mai le ai tho ram bai nai la gaiอันนี้ร่วงไม่น่าขังร่วงไม่น่าร่วงตัวข้างหน้านั่งที่เราโอ้ตัวน่ะหวยใช่
ไม่หวยมีให้กระเรียมนั่งหรือไม่
เป้าจะตัวน่ะเป้าจะตัวน่ะหวยมันกลางก็ไม่ได้ซาเดียวนางขังน่ะสาวนางขังน่ะตีไปนี่สัตว์คุณน่ะเป้าเลยอันนี้ร่วงไม่น่าต้องไหวขังร่วงมาตัววมกลางตัวการจากการมากลางนั่งตรงสิงเขาหมู่บางลาตัวน่ะนั่งโตนั่งหน้าน้องก็เตียงข่อยงวนกลมน่ะกวงบ้ามคางไม่น่าสวยมติโลตัวน่ะเป้าจะตัวน่ะมีกุมจะไหนอีสาย ในนั้นมันก้าวใจเป้าจะตัวมังเลยนะราลูลาไทยตีจำระวังไทยเป้ากันเลยนะเนี่ยทำไมเลยนะลูบกนี้นายก็ตรงเดลูนี้ตาหัวเป้าปางคนนะคุณน่ะไม่ไปนั่นนี้คุณน่ะเก่าชินชูน่ะรักลุ่มนี้กลุ่มมันทีเพราะเป้าจะตัวนางแหล่บ้ามก้าวจะไปรานีนี้ยาวเทไปรานีเนี่ยกวางเทคุณน่ะบุบลคุณว่าบ้ามันยังเขาต่างงานก็จะมาตาขาคุณน่ะแสบแล้วกันเทแต่แล้วมาก้าวเขาไม่ให้1969ko Apou ralaw na he kagulong ko dal patla na mi bubon ko bam the bam me kaang ko kama hera klum la na tapapata go na sulong long to kama hera ba je bam khane balom bam ni nai tu e kama khum ta ba me tu te thangkim tu na khni nai bang tu thangkim wang me ko ni ta te ago pang ta pu ni ta te ko na ka gan la sa bam me kaang ko Apou ralaw na hai Manipur thu heกระทรวงการงานยุ่งกับใจดินเทกวงอ้ออันนี้เป้าก็เรียมังติงกวนบอมเขาอันนี้นักขัดแบบนักขัดโตอากาศเลี้ยงโรไม่นานกว่ากระเด็กนี้ในบอมของแง่กวงโง่ตัวนึงกวงนับมีให้กระทรวงการงานยุ่งกับให้กวงนับบัมตรงเทบัมไม่กลางก็ได้ใส่ฮีเปล่ากับพลมาบินาคดีบัมไม่ไวประธานอาจารย์นายจวนเซกเตอรี่เป้าฮุเลลิวให้แล้วนะอาศัยบิดมตัวนะไม่จนสินำถลงเขาบิดมมาเลี้ยงไม่ไหนไม่ได้นะgeneral secretary สุนัขก็นู่นที่การโกงไม่ที่ต่างว่าไม่ลงก็ตายตัวบุญชอบตัวใจอันนี้ให้ไรก็ตัวพอกระเรียมัง research committee สุนัขก็นู่นนะฟอร์มสุนัขตัวนะก็นู่นบุกมาจงตัวreceipt บุกเล็กนู่นก็เสียมันนะผู้ชายเราไปฆ่านะบัมตัวไง
แล้วกายรำตันเท่าค่ะ
ตันเท่าค่ะพอกระเรียมันไม่มาเรียกเขาทุกเสียมโคตัวนะมันนี่พูดตัวเล็กก็นู่นก็ฆ่าตัวบุญชนะสายบิดงเนี่ยก็ลงบุญเนี่ยแต่นั่นเนี่ยเสกที่เขานำถลงบัมไปที่เต็มคุณนะกระทำเราบัมไม่โคตามมาพิชาทรัพย์จานมากวางไทยตัวมากางก็กันอยู่ไม่ไกลไม่ดงกรูละตัวนะพอกระเรียมันก็ตัวพอกระเรียมันก็น่าไอ้เช่าพอตัวกระปูไว้กระปูข้างให้ราคาสูงไรเขาตัวนั้นก็สู้กันได้เดิมไม่ได้สิเดิมมันก็ไม่ได้ราคาจริงถ้าคนที่ชอบกันการเส้นยางคนละกระปูกว่าจะสู้เขาตัวนั้นมีเตามีการไหมหรือหุ่นลงกายขนาดก็ตัวไม่ติดตัวกระสีที่นั่นติ้งเหลาที่นั่นติ้งเหลาที่นั่นไม่ติดราลาดนะราลาดตัวนั้นเตาให้อันนี้นี่กายก็ทันเสียมเท่าตรงที่ก็เสียมเท่าไม่ตรงที่เนี่ยก็ไม่ยางคนนั้นนี่ใจให้ท่านก็เสียมเท่าไอ้เหี้ยเป้าก็เลยมันตัวติงกวนบัมที่ก็น่าใส่เหี้ยเป้าก็เหี้ยก็น่าสวมตัวที่ถ่ายไปเป้าเราหวังกายไปเสร็จแล้วทิ้งอังปุยก็โดยจะสัตไปดิแฉมันดูจะสักกันเขานี่
สักไอ้ดอก
เสร็จแล้วทิ้งอังปุยก็โดยจะสัตปุยก็ปัดตรงเช้าตัวมันก็ไม่ต้องไปดิที่นั่นน้าวินะก็นี่ตัวไปเสร็จแล้วทิ้งอังปุยหายกางานนายบ่จะใส่กางานมาแค่กางานไหนตัวที่ตัวเป้าก็จงใจที่บอยคนนายก็ตรงนี้ปกท้าผู้เชี่ยวอะไรขัดนายนะไม่คนจะนายไม่กลางคนเตะจะราคมเด้งปูไปเสราเทงังปุยกันนี่นะไปดีอยู่เถอะคนที่ไม่จ้างคนนี้นะไปเสราเทงังปุยที่เฮจะราคมเด้งปูที่เฮคำทันคำสุผูนะคำทันผูดับไม่กลางก็เป้าที่พูดสนังเล่เป้าติงกรังพูดแล้วกันนะนาทันเป้าสุราแต่กันไหนนะให้นาคำที่ใจคำทันไม่กลางก็ดูคำทันไม่กลางก็ตัววิจารณ์เด็กผู้เฒ่ามาแค่ดูปีเดียบผู้เด็กผู้เฒ่ามาแค่ตัวที่ไม่ยังคนนั้นก็ไม่ได้โทษเป้านายเย็นบางขาดปวนละดูปีเดียบผู้ละตัวนั้นผู้เฒ่ามาคิดโจ้ตัวนั้นเป้าเรากวางจังหวัดจะไหนก็อยู่ผู้มากางก็ไปเสราเทงังปุยดิเราทำทันละตัวนั้นเป้าบางนักสัมสลินสลาตัวนั้นผมเราบำคนนี้ใจไม่คนนั้นก็ไม่จะผู้รุ่นละกับผู้ก็จะผู้หลวงละเป้าไปเสราเทงังปุยที่หาย ก็ไม่จะสงง่วงลงที่ชายไอ้ดูนะปริราตินด้วยแสงไม่ปรินี่ดูนะหมายถึงจะสวงแล้วเมื่อกลางคุณใจอาเปาจะราของนิ่งปู
นกท่านเป่า
น่ะท่านเปามาก็มาจะน่ะลูกมาจะกการที่มีใจกระบงก็ใจกระดุยจะซัดผงไทยผงแล้วเมื่อกลางคุณใจ
สระถึงดังปุยอีกระดุยผงตรงนี้
กระดุยไทยสระเทกบายกระดุยผงแต่สระของนิ่งปูหมายถึงการที่น่ะว่าเมื่อกลางก็อาเปาระวังจังหวัดสนัยเมื่อกลางก็ใจกระดุยจะซัดดุยแล้วใจกระดุยก็ได้กระดุยแล้วเมื่อกลางเขาเต่าโบราณควงกันนิ่งเราลานะหมายจะรำตู้มาตุนะเบาลาที่เราลานะกกายทิลวนลงทุกจะกันที่ใจแต่ถ้าเมื่อกลางก็ใจก็ไม่เจ้ากระบูกไหนตั้งเมื่อกลางก็ใจกระบาบงสูดิ่งที่ละนี่งานไม่ได้อาบาบงติ้งปอกติ้งเสากุมันเทมีหายวงโง่สุดที่มีดางคนนั้นมีเป่าไก่ดิลวดสไนบังทุกไก่เลยก็ดูอีกทีปัวโลกตรงที่สี่ปัวโลกเมื่อกลางก็ใจ
ดิลวดสไนก็ตะบุยทุสัก
แต่อาเป่าระวังจังหวัดก็บังจะต่อยนี่พอเราได้ไม่ตังหัวเจริญนะจะบุยชดดูเจ้บัมมากลาง
ก็จะมีแต่สไนน่ะป่วนตัว
ตัดสัตว์ดีพอเราว่าไม่มีก็ใจกการกูตั้งเทจะกระติงก็ห่วงให้ตัวที่ตัวกระดุยจะป่วนไม่กักปัดเป็นสิ่งที่ละกักปัดมากลางตัวกระดุยสไนตัวกักปัดที่กระดุยขัดตัวกักปัดไม่ใช่คนจะสไนไม่น่าจะน่าควรงั้นมาขึ้นน่ะใบบักยาวกระดุยใจล้วนบางประเทศใช่ก็มากลางก็จะกันนิวให้อันนี้เฮกัสในบางที่กี่อาปูนานี่ส่งดิเจ้าก็มีจะเป่าโลกของเขามาจะสุกยังในเด็กเขาตัวนั้นในตัวในเมื่อกลางก็อาแกติลวดลงที่ใจงวดลงตัว
ไม่ไหวนะตา
สไนมีแต่ใจสไนมีแต่ใจกุมนากระปูกายเนี่ยทุกใจที่ปีเจ้าป่าพูน่าอาแกติงวดลงกุมนาสุกยังนั่นแหละพูดแต่พูดตอนไม่กลางหัวใจไปเสียละที่งานปุยกกายแล้วป่าหัวใจบัมแล้วนะอาแกแต่ราบตัวนี้อาแกคือระโมเป่านุ่งกำตัวบุยราบางตัวไอระหว่างการลวดบางคนใจอายุจะสั้นด้วยแล้วก็ตัวนี้กันอยู่ในในดิเกตนะสาธิตไม่ยากคนนี้อาแกก็เลยคนที่ตัวอาปุยของที่เกมีหายคนจะปล่อยนางสาวมันจมเดย์แต่สั้นไม่ได้ขัดมูมาจังสิใบบางตะกี้ใจมาล้วนโลกคนไทยกับปั้มมาขึ้นน้ำไก่จุนละอันอยู่ในตัวนะกับปุยสระเชิงงปุยเลยนะกับปั้มก็น้องดุยที่น้องที่สายที่น้องไม่กล้าที่น่าเป่าไปสระเชิงแบบกับปุยดันดวงเอาใช่ดวงว่าไม่กล้าก็เลยนะก็จะตัวกันในมีนายที่กี่กระเป๋าวัมตัวนี้มันก็จะนักเป๋าวัมตัวนี้ตัวที่ตัวดีกุนประได้ดีแห่งจะซัดกล้วยใดๆมันก็ไม่นักเป่าวัมพวกตู้ของเอจนสารตัวสารมันจะกล่าวไม่จะใจเป่าระวังตัวก็ไม่จะไปเสียละเชิงงานพอสารตัวชาไม่จะได้นักการการสรุปเป็นชุดต่างกันไทยนางทั่วกับเราเรียกไม่เชื่อนางเป่าปีกวนตายกล้วยแรงสไนด์นางเป่าบางบุดงทุกสาธิตไม่ยังคนนะกล้วยแรงสไนด์นางเป่าบางบุดงไทยบุดงไม่กลางคนที่ป้าไม่บนสนิวให้กวงดัดให้กระเป๋าบางตัวเขาก็จะกลายนะกวงตัวรับที่มีตัวกันดีรารีกันไทยไม่ใช่ที่ไม่คนจะเลยนะเป่าระวังกายใกล้ตัวบำตะเกตัวน่ะก็ไม่ไก่ตัวนี้นึกว่า
ก็ซาร์ครับ
ก็ซาร์ก็ไก่ก็ใส่กันลงไปสุดที่ลงมาปุ่นนิสัยอาจารย์นับพงเกียนปุ่นนิสัยนาระวังนิสัยให้จังเลยนะก็ไม่เลยนะในไก่ได้ระวังนิสัยขั้นเล่นแบบนิสัยแบบนี้คุณไม่ทราบว่าใส่ยานิ้วใส่นิ้วก็ไม่จะเราละแต่นะคือมันตรงที่ดูเนี่ย
ไอเดียพังเตะก็น่าเป้าหนังจัดนะสุดสารเราขโมยนะ
อาจารย์สารว่าไงกับครั้งนี้เนี่ยไม่กระบำเลยนะกระนำจัดเนี่ยนะก็กุยจ้ะ
ซิลเซอร์เข้ามานี่ไก่เท่ดูนั่นน่ะบวนปรีสารมาขังตาทองเขาแท้เป้าตา Finally we have reached the main entrance of the Bubuan Cave or Bhuban Cave here Naga Vishnu Cave ตอนนี้เราบอกที่ the main entrance now we are getting into it now my expedition team or the trekking team has already ahead of me so I'm chasing them this is Mr. Aki tao tho hai tuần hơi gột bẩn thế Bubuan Cave mi mà sai chút tà rau mà giờ thế sẽ đâu hay đần thân là thôi sự thân là đã thấy mà nhiều hỏi cô là na cái bún thế. So this is also a kind of shortcut where we can get into the main entrance, but this is little. It will be a little challenge if a person is little fatty. Oi, oi! The main road is over there, the main entrance. So, Abel, I want to try. Please hold. I am going to get in through the small entrance here. This is how people enter here without going through the this long road. I mean this better road. I enter through the smaller road. So that is the Bubuan Cave. Bhuban Cave or Naga Vishnu Cave, people call it. Bubuan Cave tai gutang thế mà tao hay tuần nó phèn hậu thế. Is the main entrance of Bubuan Cave. We call it Bubuan or Bubuan in Rongmei. These days, people also call the Naga Vishnu Cave here. This is a historic cave of the Rongmei ancestral land. This is the expedition team or the trekking team who came here today to explore of this cave. They are the teammate. If you look down here, you can see opened mouth of this Bubuan Cave. This might be 100, not 100 meter, 50 or 80 meter depth. We have to get down here. Further, we can get inside using candlelight or torchlight. Bubuan Cave. Bubuan Cave, I say Naga Vishnu Cave. Cao với mẹ Bubuan Cave cái môn thế hay cái đại thế. Comme là nãy bắt chẳng muốn thế ya, comme là nãy cái chẳng muốn đi khát này đấy thì kì, mi hay nãy bắt chẳng muốn cái linh cái đại, anh yêu, toàn Rongmei Jadonang, historic place mà bám khát thế, có mà khơi na gutang mấy cái khá, 80 meter ni 100 meter down nhưng mà thằng thế mà phô cái đó cái gì hết, hay ta, à toàn team sai anh yêu. Ta na bang mi team ma hining hung te kai bam dong the hung te kai bam mi gan pongu the. I am the sixth person and I will be also getting down thang te ani kai na kalong thu ko na jaw no mai ka tin sini jaw puni hum na mi he Bubuan Cave jaw homen gate hum na zat pek thu jaw pare te thai hein ta bot nun he nai kama ka kai kai ma khoni hi jagha dai ngan rap nai एक मक काय जाओ थे बोन काय काय जाओ तिंग पुका जाओ को थे हे ति थे मन न ताओ थो आय तकै खन किम्बम नो काय पनि थे काय पन थे sang he sang ling ni he kom tin to step somai the kan su dai non kom tho ta sibam noi hi chi tiki kom na niu lao non lao mai me non tho kom na kai no de pai khwat ni kom na sao lo te na kom na kai no de me 100 meter thu tăng sang mà bom noi tiki maybe somewhere around 80 meter me to soi ma khe ka kai zao tre na thok pe me ta kai ka mi ha kom na tinan nik ni ma e kom na phuan ma mi ha ta bui dong su tu tha lam toi bo ni ka zao thi kom thina tan me ga ho siksin na ta khang ta the ta ka hu si tu tha ding thai na tuir ra tong the hi thon kai ni mi to niom tho ko ma ani tui kai khang su re mai ka tho đi cái con à tui con ơi hi à cái hôm mình cái liệm theo cái tăng mầm nhìn thế làm tuổi bà đấy ní phụp đi thế Mr. Arke này cái làm thế thế đầu thôi mà xài tờ gãy thao tim một nào phải na làm tuổi bà dập dập đi thế là khăng khăng mấy xuân cái ông mãi thế thì kì anh nhiều ruộng này quay oh tên thể trộm thế oh you go this way go this way oh chơi trộm thế phải bảo hư mà cái thơ hệ hủ của tao mía mày này giáo xịn nè thì xến xịn tao mọi tao hết nè oh thằng thì cái hú mày bằng này lại liền mày ta xiên bấm để xịt cái nhện thế tao nào không có phá trekking tung không có bằng cái số ngoài mà tụ công ty mà tên là họ nhì mãi là thế này ta hãy màรับtung thua một cái suy mình này thế đấy anh này hai tí ký cái lần sao mà thế làm giúp phật cái niệm đồ như này tao phải không thủng mà khai không thủng mà khai đâu mấy thằng cày không thế cơ mà nhiều người mới bầm hả ta được khôn nó cái mình không thế tao phải hiểu vào mình kia làm tuổi bằng thế tôi slide khá là xinh màu đã ha अरे बाबा तोसलाई सिन में माउदा तोसलाई का पू थे लम तो हवाई तो मैं प्लेडिया tao hay phuan metric trâu rồi nó nói với mình àนี่ลำตัวบ้านนั้นเห็นรามเต่าตินะตาจิงบ้านมีลังเขาต้นกูได้สักกระหลงทอดดิปเปอร์กูข้างในปั่นเทนี่ตัวไหนกูปั่นเทกายเลี้ยมีฮะให้ตัวสี่ไอ้สมนี่สี่เขามาสี่เขามาสมสวมได้สี่เขาถ้าเขาเช่ากันอันนั้นได้สี่นี่สี่ตาเฮ้ยเทียมมีจารันเด้เทียมมีจารันเด้ก็ทักไอ้มีลำตัวนี่จะเทียcái lũng rồi giáo có đắt ngang một hồ lam tuổi cái tặng mà mi tài tàu hay tinh dinh cái thì là this is the view cái pang sắm bao giá vậy là cái tặng mắm đồng thế ạ sản nó khấu rầm quỳ niệm tu kháng sắc khang dinh hộp pan mi sắm pan mi insects gọi là niệm tu không bắt pan ít thế là cái liệm này các bạn rồi na nằm ngang mi tông picture bung thum hiện thế tàu à khun lũng cái thì là nếu dính ni xì thế mi à rồi này ngồi rồi mà coi là cả cái lông của thằng ta này có mà tao có vấn thế hay à 3 p.m. cái mà cái tao à 2:45 p.m. only có mấy cái tôn thổ rầm hậu đó mà khe bàn pa thị thế nào hậu mấy tụi mày ta có mà nè ê cái đó xin mình ta đó mà xin nó cái đó xong thôi toàn lại đi gài bông cung thế phòn đồ phòn toàn lại đi gài thế hay cái mà gài liền ôi cái lồng tiêu quân này tôi cái lồng tiêu quân này come ê cái lồng tiêu quân là na cái lồng thôi na tao mấy cày mình xong thúc nó cày đâm này cái ví dụ cái thúc cày nằm mà khê cô ha cọ thôi cảnh đi, ok hết rồi mũi, cọ mạ thôi con cảnh đi, tao mi cài rồi chị, mi cài rồi tiêu quân nụ thế, ha, gài thế, ai rai có tarai có thôi mi cài, này rai có thôi mi cài rồi tiêu bù đấy, ấy cái lồng thoát sinh làm đại bên đi.
Lùng gài mỗi tuần cày nái.
Dên bông.
Chỉ thế mỗi tuần cày nái.
Cày thôi sủng thế. Ai ha. Tao mi khôn lông có quân này cày lại mình là cái gì ấy. Ngờ. À tuồng lại khuyên làm tuổi tí nó dễ khốt gì. Nó gì. Làm tuổi nó ngồi từ sáng tới năm đầu đã. Tôn thì thế cày mà một thu. Đinh cái đất nè năng tàn xiên của tùng thi ngùa không được năng tàn khép mà
Nga đã tông thúc.
Ê, thằng mình cũng thì thế. Thằng tên là mày. Ra thôi. Xảy năng màn một sức sự tăng đi nè. Cái ta thọ. Kêu gua đấy tôi thả. Cái này đinh từ gì mãi đắp nè. Hết thằng thế. Sang linh cái tập này nè. Thằng này sang lạ là cũng ní thằng bà đừng ní. Kendall ta. Hết chị, hết thế. Hết chị, vô thôi. Qua, hạt tiêu khả, cái này xin cùng hậu khả. Quay thu. Tuần gốt mì. Cây thu. Sao mà lăng tên tỏ thôi. Rồi. Ra thôi của cần thế, RK của ta bẩn thế. Ha. Thế, tiệp quốc này thì tôi bùi lật đó. Mình xài thì nên thu. Gỗ tô tay gỗ bộ phao. Gỗ tiêu nào. Cái liền mi alai, ngắc với đúng nhá. Mi mọc xí vậy. Tao cái khoản này mà khai này thì gán thì. Cũng là nếu khoản bật đại phao bấm nụ để cái lồng đó. Ê, gọi từ đâu?
Cái làm phụ tiêu rồi. Hết chém mà
Kita ba? Có mấy hay thế. Ai ninh mà. Cũng là tuần có khát tôi thả hùng thì mày này thế. Thằng thì tiệp cày khát từ thằng này đâm nỉ. Gỗ tô. Tôi slide xin cái nó gỗ tiểu. Là cái thế. Ai cứ tăng đi thằng gà lẹm nó khuất vào thị. Hả? Ui bà đó nè. Cái gì mẹ ta ruộng, này gọi cái bông kỹ này uống một cái khiểm mà tôi lật à. Hả? Uống bông thôi. Nào có điện tôi. Thằng thì sang rộng của thì giáo sư ô. Thằng có tôi hư. Thế cô quay vấn đề tôi bật được. Quay vấn đề tôi bật được. Hết tuần thì plik hết. Cào, kêu cào gì? Ha? Hai, mày mày pri rồi mày tao ạ. Gotan sabam tuần kì. Thế kìa. Tuần này plik nè, nó khát thôn này đi nè, thích kì. Phu pa khop là de, kalong gutak ma gudu mi ti thon another story đi là. Thu phù thu tuần ngon thì có mẹ tuần này step khát nai thôi, cây nụ mi ra nữa đi. Ra thôi, năng kêu. Hai tuần mi engal hả? Luan sang thế nào còn có thằng nụ mấy nạ tạ. Cào thôi thì giáo ta điều. Arke, hai đi. ไม่ฮะเกี่ยวตัวแบตเตอรี่ทั้งทั้งก็ทั้งไก่ท่ากระดามนายนะทุกกันนี่น่ะกี่ไอ้ชาไม่ท่อมีหลับเขาท่อไอ้ก็เสร็จอันนี้ก็งามตรงนี้น่ะก้มตัวกี่เธอให้ดีเทียมมากันตัวเดียพอโอเคก็มาก็ตรงเขาทุกเตียบสินะเขาเตียบไปน่ะตะกี้ชาดริทู
Zoki ba le nam thoi ba.
Zoki ba nói thế cho nó.
Masala ba thoi na. Nam na mẹ đâu. Nam lo ning đâu. Anh đi qua phá phá. Hai cái ta na ta nó tàu nè. Bèo kìa.
Hả.
Zoki ba le. Nam thoi ba masala ba thoi na ba đó rồi đấy. Thủ sư. Đó từ đấy.
Cái phù hộ.
Ba đấy am khai.
Ừ.
Vô kẹp cho chú. Vô mà. Vô kẹp cho chú thằng ạ.
Aरे बाबा hay ni.
Vô kẹp cho chú.
Hay ta lấy mà hay.
ให้ข่าวถึงขับพงถอยพวงหมดเถอะสู้ด่ะตัวเปล่าไม่ข่าวถึงพงกว่า
Hậu đoạn đó. Kẹp âm đoạn. Hậu đoạn. Các loài lên khu tàu hai mà. Loài lên lửa rồi.
แต่เวลาจุก
Khai lên đi thích họ.
เฮ้ฮะ
Nó ra cái này, ra cái thế.
Rất phải cảnh kia.
เปลิกลิกเปลิกลิกไม่ได้นี่น่ะยังมากี่ตาบ่ะอันนี้ทุนนิ่มเปลิกเปลิกตัดเดียวพูนี่โอ้อีทูเฮ้ยนี่แกนดอลนี่นิ่มบ่งั้มงั้มเป็นมันสวยกูต้นอาร์เคให้เปลิกมาโทษเฮ้ยกูเดินที่รำมักตัวก้อนตัวนี้ฮะกันดีรำเข้าเฮ้ยที่เฮ้ยการเนี่ยตรงตีมาอัตกรรมดังทริวกรรมดังทริวงบมันเท่ก็มาไอ้กดมินี่กี่จี this is spider บิดเท่านั้น
Họ chỉ nằm rũ thôi không?
this is เจ้สลอยน้องเขามองคนเดียวไปตัวสูงติ๊กปุ๊กสุดเลยเฮ้ยเขาอากูเรนี่เด้อเฮ้ยเขาอาแกกูไก่เรียบหนักข้าขันนักรู้
Qua đó sụt nhá.
เฮ้ยสลอยมันบุกเข้าสู่มองเดีย
Tí một tí rồi.
งัวหลายกาวเรียน่ะเด้อนั่นนี่หลายกาวเรียน่ะก็ไม่ใช่เหนียวแต่หอบนี่ so this is the Bubuan Cave ให้เขาโอเคไทยฮันกูนี่เด้
Ôi giời. Qua đó sụt thôi.
อ๋อกูเถอะ
Qua đó sụt.
แดงนู้นแกงไก่เท่านังตากันต้อง
Dốc kỳ bọn ấy rồi.
ทั้งแปดติดปะดิโอเค
Trên đâu tung lâu nên ạ.
กินนี่ทั้งแต่นายน่ะทั้งจี back side this side is bigger
Mới sấy.
ทั้งจี
Như là.
เด้อก้มแม่นางซิมคงก้มตุ้ยกี่ทั้งเสลิ้วเถียวแดงไหลใกล้กันก้มที่ไหนต้นน่ะไหลด่าเราตรงที่
Không khát phun đó là không? Qua đó là bọn hết.
Hey, cave training, jungle training, we call it. This is not for everyone.
ที่นี่ลายคนเหี้ยมันแหละขนาดที่ต่อ
Tao có cái lần nữa. Tao có bao nhiêu vậy ạ? Expedition hả? Tao xuống đồng thế cải liệm. Dạ thôi, ngon đéo lần nữa quần xịp nạn thế. Không mà cải liệm ý ấy. Tao ấy. Phẩu cải phù bát thế nào? Gột bắn thế. So if you look here, look down here. Thằng thế gì? Hầu bố mày tạ. Hay thế. Không là cải lần á. Anh em hả? Bubuan Cave lúng gột bún. Thằng thế gột bắn thế. Tao hả? Gột ní mày bầm thế ạ. Yes. Có đây. Yes, this is the. Có đây. Tông bật nè. Holding ha. So, can you see now? Xin đó. Okay, just jump over there. Okay. Hết gì? Hey rồi. Anh em tao ấy. Cái phao cai cái lụng thì còn là hút tung thế ạ. Main entrance tăng tại cái sập. Cái này mình thế ạ. Chốn gì? Thằng tệ gậu của nào tôi này. Okay. Thằng gậu của nào tôi rộng khá. Thằng sẽ rộng khá cái bản nào tôi nè. Look here, look down. Right, pak hat tu tiak pantau punya. Kok. No. Almost, just leave, ha. Ra, nang pi. Ê khờ đây. Hay thế, arke got thế. Xin đó. Torchlight ni xin đó. Torchlight also, use torchlight also. Okay. Nang thiếu à tôi chờ. Easy da. Just. Nang mi belong to this start there.
No, something for argent.
Okay.
For anything.
Lighter is there, no?
Lighter is not with me.
Lighter ni sino?
Lighter can I have?
Go to.
Lighter
Cũng go to. Just step. Thằng chỉ nó bạn balance. Chỉ giáo chỉ. You see? You see?
Chẳng hạn vậy cái nào đây? Cái đây. Sao mà ai support được cái gì? Ai cái này sẽ help to cầu.
Khỏi đây. Khỏi đây.
Whatever. Cái thuốc. Xuống. Đổ xuống.
Không. Hết thằng ạ. Rồi cày thế thâu tha cây mi hả? Ra thôi. Cây đình thế. Riêng mày, ai riêng đèn mày. Ra kinh thôi lộn. Có tăng đình thế hề, con bò. Hầu đó mà khả. Xin nó. Ai lia lộn bên nè, thằng giáo ni không kiểu chỉ, hầu thả. Chỉ. Hay chỉ. Hay thế. Cái lùng, cái cài lùng thì cô tăng mày tăng, cô ní mày sang tụi mày kiểu hay thế. Còn là hay à, downstream cái ní mày á, riêng toàn cái thấp thế nó, thấp tăng trộm này nè. Nhi, toàn cái đó thì thầy thế lâu tiêu. Khá tí cái thầy lâu tiêu, hầu bật ní, hầu thả. Sì. Nhi. Thì thế. Cái lùng hầu ạ. Các bạn có thả. Mr. Khiêm này có tăng thế cái nè.
Các bạn thấy mình xem thật.
Cái thôi. Khiêm à? Nàng explore ta thôi thằng gì. Go. Ra thuê cái thôi. Thằng gì thằng kiểu. Ra thuê tung cái thôi. Tiêu vào thôi. Chưa. Khiêm à? Thì các bấm đi cạo khảo. Chính thay là phụ. Chính thay là phụ. Cái thế. Hay đỉnh thì gì? Giáo. Người ta. Giáo thôi gì? Bù. Gì? Nữa nè. Cái thôi. Lùng này đó đi thôi. Cất. khất xin lỗi điêu tao cây mi hai uncle cả đoàn gài bảo cây đâu cây thu ấy à nó thế tuần được lúc đấy kêu cô nào được cô nào ấy khổ ai liền vấn đề chỉ nàng pan đi mà đi rồi hai đỉnh thà thế cô chỉ giáo chưa hậu đỉnh thà ra bóng con đưa cái thức tao thôi anh thay liền nó bẩn thế cái đó thì mà này andas giáo lộ chỉ tinh phố cào à arke look this one in case spider bám đó là đủ nó spider bám đó đi xin đó andas thay on đấy spider thì giáo bám kia remember this one okay exit point tao hỏi cả đoàn gái bảo cây cần thế Mr. RK ôi thế cái gì tôi slide xin cái gì thì xin mu đi làm khẩu tao nhiều nè cu mày thúc cú đơn trọng cái ngăn mày có đuôi bạc thì cái tảng cái này cô mày tuần mày đuôi ta phúng à nó duốn mình đi là lá khạc bottle thuốc giặc là cái sao cây cần đi cái liam itong expedition this expedition is not for all this is only for those who dare to try expedite this cave or the nature we have entered with few challenges. Now we are able to get down deeper, and we are just exploring to get up to the extreme low to experience this Bubuan Cave. We also mark here with candle in order to return. Actually, to guide us with this light. Ding thay okay. Okay, mà tăng ta. Hù riu nè. Back is good. Thông tin phao, ta tăng được thêm mà sai gọi Chỉ thế expedition team. I am the last person coming. I'm the last person, so we are going down to the extreme lower level. This is usually accessed by the people. Hay thế, khuẩn phao cái lúng ạ. These are the team. Woo! See, you can see the eco level. Just checking. Mi phokai tanga club ani upat mi phokai thì có mà club này cái na. So if we explore there might be more bigger hole than all this crater ni. So you can look back, see those are the entrance. That is the entrance where we enter. Hay cái giang là mà cái tàu lung hột đê mấy cái nó thay lâu ni mái. Anh ấy còn riêng tuần cái thấp tầng em kêu thế có bảo số tuần là bảo tàu đấy so the possibility of this crater could be due to the earthquake, heavy earthquake ni đấy lúc này đều sang thải thế tàu thôi không là nè tàu là last không tạ chalo cái luận khát tắt cây là tắt cú đó là tắt cây đó hàng cây cái mình xem em hạ cây dạo thôi nai băm xin đi răng nặng ấy not safe ni anh tuổi bảo đó nè ok hay khâu lăng hàng gì mình xin đi anh ấy tiểu của mình lăng hay beng hàng lưới tiền ạ buồn lưu tiền ạ yeah ai sao mày có bao thọ suffocate xuống không mà đỉnh siêu oxygen này để hay nhiều vậy mới là từ tôi khiết rồi sơ cứ ngồi bỏ cái đất thôi ra thôi nai ta không thì hơi tôi giáo tao mày phụ cái đất thôi cái lần này mình cái lần thôi cô hình mắc nó tôi số giáo một số ngẳng thuốc cái đó ngài bỏ đi tao sang lít bầm thếไม่พอไกลหายวันนั้นพูนะอากาศเลยไม่คุ้ตรงเท่ this is not an easy ราบานเสียมนี่รากวางบานเสียมก็มันนะมีพอไกลคนลำตัวกูบ่มีก็บ้าท่อขับไปทุกพอลำเดี๋ยวนี้ you can imagine นะ this is how I kagiak hey come here everyone ทั้งอ๋อไม่ไหวนะพุทโธสิสลับนี่ทั้งหลังควันเดทั้งหลังควันเดด้วยน้ำมิตรตาวต้นไก่
อาศัยให้รำนำได้ลงเบียดทริไก่ไหมอาร์เคดทริปไม่โก explorer อาศัยกระเจ้าไม่ปังให้โรซี่ลูปูเทอรวกเทสิงห์ไทยลูปูเทอทวีเอเวนเจลิสเขี้ยมังไออันนี้วันสรุปให้บุบลเก็บกูไก่แล้วนะแม้นได้มีตุนเดรนักกดแล้วนะกระเพราไก่เทียมมีตุนเต่าลับคนนักไก่ดังนั้นละกี่เทียบกดแล้วนะให้กระหลุมเขากดแล้วนะใส่อันนี้ไก่เราดึงตัวมีแต่นิ่งเต่าผมขังสนะเต่าพอส่วนไหนนะเด็ดหีบผมตรงเทคุณตุนหีเราไม่ให้ท่านนำได้หล่น NBC ตัว26ตัวนั้นผมหีเราเทนะอันนี้ใส่ให้ไม่ให้นิ่งเต่าผมหังสนามไม่หีแล้วตรงเทอารมณ์นำได้หรอกไม่ก็ไม่ไก่มีนายแท้ไม่หีแล้วไม่ให้ไม่ไหวนะเรา
trips NBC belongs to NBC
ยาวเรานะให้26เขาให้กุ้มไก่เราดึงตรงไม่ไหวนะเฮาแล้วขังไทยแล้วขังอันนี้หีแล้วตรงเทไม่เต่าแปลกเขาให้ NBC 26ตัวนั้นหีเรากันเทเต่าเขาให้ไม่หีแล้วไม่ให้ไม่ไหวนะกวางต้องไม่ไหวอารมณ์ไม่ไหวอารมณ์ไม่นานต้องไหวเฮาแล้วตรงนั้นอันนี้ไม่ติ้งกุ้มให้ยู่เขาให้อันนี้อาศัยให้ไม่นนให้กุ้มตาเราดึงตรงนี้เต่าของ
บุบวนสิงบุบวนเก็บเจ้าตั้งไม่นานที่ทบมีบ่มไก่ตั้งข้างเจ้าเราไว้โลตัวไม่ให้ไม่ได้นะตาที่ถ่ายไม่ตรงไงกระบำนี่ก็ไอ้ไปนะinteresting สมัยบ่มเทก็มาใบแปลทุราบ่มีนายหายกันในร้านนับปักตะนักแล้วนั่นตาให้กังแต่ตรงเทสิงถ่ายเลยปูสิงถ่ายเลยปูกันในว่าจะทุยไก่เทที่ไหนเท
แกกี่ได้ไม่ดีอ่ะ
หนูถือ
ใส่ให้อันนี้นำได้หลวงเบียดทริไก่มาอันนี้ติ้มให้ใส่ปูบนสิงเข้ารำที่ปูบนลังเขาให้เข้าลังเขากดแล้วนะ
แล้วก็ไม่ชาทันนั่นอยู่
แล้วเดี๋ยวดูได้คำสั่งอะไร
บุบวนกายเข้าลัง
ใส่เด็ดสนาย January 2026เขาให้ใส่ปูบนกายเจ้าขังอันนี้นำได้หลวงเบียดทรินามันใส่การสรุปให้ไกลเราแล้วนะใส่เจ้าเราเทก็มากระหูเขาแมนเกตเขากดตั้งเราเทกดตั้งเราแล้วนะไม่ตั้งให้กระลวนกันไหนไม่สนับเต้ารับเขาเตียบไปเรานะก็ไม่ระวังเลยก็เสียมแล้วไม่ต้องเต้าลังเขาง่ายมีบันเสียมเตกูเจ้าแล้วนะเขาไว้ดึงเทก็ไม่ให้ไม่ไหวนะเขาสตาร์ลงตรงเทระวังตรงบันเสียมไม่สตรินดึงไงระวังตะทนกูดึงเทฮาเลลูยา
Praise the Lord it's not an easy expedition I'm just looking for my footstep one of my teammates is also still walking behind me ha 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 anyway explore Sutangte we have done the expedition inside the Bubuan Cave here at Assam at South Cachar district. We have come to the base of this cave. And we are returning back toward the main gate. And now you can see the challenge of this trek. Not an easy road. Hay ra rượu ngang thấy mà say vậy à? Ra rượu. Anh yêu tao mai gái mà nè. Far off over there, you can see a light. That is the candle light. We light it over there so that we can mark. That is a kind of lighting house for us. That will lead us to where we have entered. Hey, cái này đóng hộp camera này phun ngục này tổng cái gì? Làm đội bà cái lăng nó phun ngục một khơi. Dễ mà quay. Ấy, nó gọi liệm đi tím mấy tờ. À bẹc thuốc lái cạp lầu gai mà khê. That is just. Hầu à thế nhiêu tay. Hey, Bubuan Cave. Bottom line. Ngụt năng ta mình thế. Oh, okay. Hey, cái đó là bấm đu này hả? Haipou đã lao đụng mình hít gì? Không là nó. Khai liệm ý á. Cái nó ngẳng ta cái này thế. Hey, anh yêu ninh lau mày cầm thọ cái lủng con mà cán họ tiệp của tiền là bay na suffocate cho vòng hàng ninh lau ấy thì kì bỏ liu rì để cái lủng họ oxygen is available so there will be no suffocation issue here mà mày gãy na ta bầm đấy cái là thâu của mai Bubuan cái mà không nó cái lâu na hắn đã mà mình nói thủ thái gút tăng tát tăng giáo tăng nè căn đi bằng thang khẩn phao qua na cái mình thì gút nổ ấy hay cái mà tao hay anh yêu tăng anh ấy mình xem thì here cái phát bên mình these are my footstep hey bạn khát thang camera khát bẹt thang light trào ai thấy bộ cái thì căn đi cái ngâm nó thì thấy tao mình hay thế gì? Cái shop, anh yêu mark xoay khang lâu tung ấy ạ. Có lần nào, nó về tới giáo phải đi thay, mà phổ hung cái cảnh thế. Thế thì khẩn pháo cái thế. Bottom thằng anh yêu, liam đã lâu đủ có mấy thế. Ta không mà light vào mấy. Dust particle ní tập ní nai tiếp ra đấy ạ. Không phải thế. Mà foggy thì nó số mãi thì tham. Không khát thôi cái so hay cú đây mình thế hay ngắn tục bị bong thuốc cú tổng thế cú mình nó là khu bột viên isu này mình thôi tên là có mãi bên ní có ông mày gọi thôi mấy pui ní mấy na ní cú nào cú nụ đứt thế mình bầm hả mà hay ai cú đây mình thế nị đóng khâu tao nằm lâu ní mình thôi mang bây giờ thế để ba mẹ không nổi đấy keep on hay thế. The toughness or the difficulties of this trek is this one. Yeah, I'm just coming out. This is the entrance for the lower level inside this cave. We 6 of us have explored and just come out. One thing you should remember, once you get in here, your dress will be out of clean and clear. Sweat got inside my eyes. I can't open it. This is peak winter, though it's sweating. Let me go there. My hands get dirty, and I could not wipe out also. Yeah. Thằng cái tên nó hầu mấy tại. Cầm muốn cạo mấy thế. Cái muốn tại cái rào tại bắt đầu thế. I'm moving toward there, and this is the tracking point. If you wish, how much? Tí nó là thế thôi. Tôi biết là cái at least 20-30. Nó tăng là cái. Sao. You to go. Fly. Làm tuổi à. Tập tăng một nì. Hey, khá này nó khá don't try. If you get enough, that is okay. Otherwise, no point. Gán cô thế bạc được kìa. Nè. Khoan thì cái xị băm thùng đó. Chê. Nếu bài tù vại ra mà này. Thế sao? Kìa, nếu băm nó bạc tăng đấy hay gọi bằng ngoại mình chưa? Come out. Kìa, có làm vô rồi hả đấy? Who knows? There, they have a small or enough space over there. Go this side. Jump. I am flying. Finally, we have come out again from the depth of this Bubuan Cave. You estimate and tell me. That's all. We have done the explore. Hey, I'm going to run here. Hey. Running in Bubuan Cave Salmon is also not easy. Ngang thơi. They are. Hey. Seems to be wrong direction. Up. Kiểu một cái năm tuổi lang tay mà cứu này sang phủ nè năm tuổi ba làm si tớ này nè tao Bubuan Cave các bạn nó cái này các bạn ta tổng thế energy is also a little bit exhausted. Hey. Cái này làm không? Tai bằng thải. Hey. Năm tuổi lăng sang ngày đâu rồi thì hồi okay, are you tired? Mấy giáo giáo thể thao ni được năm tuổi ba ni ta lần ni hai đạm hai kỳ thọ phải na interesting sự đấy commentator gọi là cứu kinh lâu đất okay, still there, come run, this is your time. Hay thế công ty này tàn nụ ấy tụi tổng thế cố định nó đỉnh thôi diễn này một gọi gì video nằm nè 사지 몰라 사본 거 같다. Hello. Hey Bubuan Cave giáo cái đất bật thả.
Bubuan Cave. Dress kalu ka. Con bakai ko kalu ni ko.
Bubuan Cave tân thì hà ngoài thế ngoài thì kì. Làm tuổi ba đình khỏi. Nói đâu tổng thế. Mà gọi nó ninh lạ là mà khi Bubuan Cave explore su khori thế. Không là energy ni loài pa thế, tinh mịch ni loài pa thế. It's already 410 na. Khoang pa đại na mình rủ cái thế. Là 421. Là mà thế tao thúc cai tặng khang. 6 gear palo na samuni thế mà gọi nó gai mày tinh mịch số bye bye. Tao hầu bấm mi cài hại ruộng mẹ rồi slow mi cài thế công na anh yêu tụng Bubuan ra cài ta giáo sinh là bấm khang Silchar area Cachar area họ ruộng mẹ volunteers committee lang lâu na hay bấm xin na mà bấm đồng thế tao hẹp nặng bấm mình hay cả gùi luộng thôi nữa ngạn là bấm mà bao riệm mi cài nun sậy hay bấm mẹ công na kan ni re na ting me ka sek ni hapta ni bubu ni kam na rotation sana bamba me bam the he kam na tao thu ting jin kai ti the na mai so na mai ga nam tong the Mr. Singh Thai pu Mr. Abel kamaya Bubuan Cave ta lol na lum lan pa the ma so bam the so you have something to say?
Nothing to say.
You're tired.
Yeah, it is.
And refreshing.
Exhausted already.
Chalo hay apui pang nai pang
Hello.
tun committee khu ko jaw mi pang the rotation suna kani hai mi ra kai ti he volunteer suna nga ajaw bom dong the tao thang re na tabui tong swam to tun he pom na tenki khri na pai na ka bam gai mi siam lo the dui khiu khang phai ban dui khiu khang jaw phi khang nai na bam mi bam the right. This is one of the rest house where we can stay, we can hold, we can take rest. If you are coming for the visit to this Bubuan Cave or Bubuan Cave, I will also walk through the prayer house that we have over here. You can see the Naga Vishnu Mandir, established 1980, written over there. This is a prayer house, which is run by the committee or the associations of Rongmei Naga, who preserve this ancestor historic worship places. I don't know for what purpose this building is, but the construction is going on. Actually, the door are closed. Gaidinliu Memorial Hall. I don't know what is inside. If I can request them to open, I will request them to see. And these are the volunteers who coming from the surrounding village who are also among the committees of this area. That is a canteen or a kitchen, also a homestay, temporarily constructing. The season is coming closer, so in the upper side, upper levels, we also have a guest house or the rest house, we can call it. Let me climb up and see what is exactly up here. High ground, high. This ground usually use this open area, usually use to build a tent house or resting house for the pilgrimage who are coming here during the peak seasons, which will happen in the month of February, I guess. Shivaratri We also call it by the Indian calendar. There are not only pilgrimage or visitors from our community, different communities, Hindus, thousands, lakhs of people will be coming here during the Purnima in the month of Shivaratri months. I don't know exactly the date. The surrounding has stingy bins which Rongmei people use for vegetables. We use this for salad or chutney, or also we also used to have it as a curry. Good for many reasons. Good, many benefit, health benefit are there of this vegetable, from this vegetable. So that is a small coverage. Finally, we have come down to the parking point where we have parked our vehicles. It's time to move back to our hometown. Good morning. Today we have decided to visit Bubuan Cave or Bubuan Cave. See, we are on the way now. This is Mr. RK&D. The back is also the expedition team match. Mr. Chiang and Mr. Bhuban Hills. Oh, tao có cái đất tôi hay không? are closing to the Bubuan Cave now, foothill. So I need to buy candle. Yeah, 25 rupees. For 25 rupees, I bought 2 packets of candles along with the lighter now. So this will give us a backup in case if the light or torchlight is not working inside the cave. That is just for your FYI.